Step 1. Setting up the GraphQL API to run on Katacoda. Hi, in this step we're going to set up the IMBOB GraphQL API to run within the Katacoda interactive learning environment. So task 1, we need to clone the GraphQL API from GitHub, which we're going to do. So we'll click on clone there, and then you can see the Katacoda has gone out to GitHub, and it has downloaded the code. Now we're going to go over into the directory where the source code is, IMBOB. Now we're going to build the Docker container that will contain the GraphQL API. So we click task 3, docker build -timbob dot, and you can see the Docker container is beginning to build. This will take a moment, so we'll wait. And while we're waiting, let me mention that after the container build completes, then we'll run the container in the Katacoda interactive learning environment. Okay, the download's completed. The container image is building. Okay, the container image build has completed, and now we're going to run the container. So I'll click task 4, docker run. And the container is up and running. Now, to make sure that the container is working correctly, we're going to issue a curl command against the GraphQL API HTTP access point. And we'll do that in task 6. We'll click on task 5. We'll click on task 5. And you can see in the bottom of the screen down here that the curl command worked as it's expected to. So in the next step, we're going to start working directly with the IMBOB GraphQL API.